The Chevrolet Borrego concept combines rally car agility with Chevrolet's ruggedness, suitable for daily commutes and weekend adventures. Inspired by rally cars and pre-runner trucks, its sporty look appeals to younger buyers transitioning from sport coupes. The interior design focuses on safety and comfort, featuring a dual cockpit layout, handholds, gel padding, and rugged analog gauges. The innovative rear mid-gate allows for the accommodation of 2 extra passengers by retracting the rear window, sliding the gate, and snapping on a stored roof. Self-inflating seals maintain water tightness in various configurations, transforming the cargo bed to expand passenger room. Versatility akin to the Chevrolet Avalanche is evident with the Borrego's adaptability, offering a convertible cargo area without tools. Emphasizing functionality, it incorporates a portable GPS, OnStar connectivity, air compressor, and a pressurized water tank, providing amenities like vehicle interior cleaning, equipment inflation, and on-trail showers. Its all-wheel drive powertrain, inspired by Subaru's system, employs a horizontally opposed, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine for better handling and a thrilling driving experience. Targeting active, fun-seeking 20-somethings, the Borrego fills the gap between sporty cars and SUVs, appealing to those seeking adventure without sacrificing performance.